Replacing your roof is one of the biggest home improvement investments you'll make as a homeowner in Troy. Whether your roof has reached the end of its lifespan, suffered storm damage, or simply needs an upgrade, proper planning is essential. Unfortunately, many homeowners rush into the process and overlook important details, costing them more time, money, and stress than necessary. By understanding the most common roof replacement mistakes, you can protect your home and ensure a smooth, successful project from start to finish. Choosing the lowest bid without considering quality. It's tempting to choose the roofing contractor with the lowest price, but the least expensive option often comes with hidden risks. Some contractors cut corners by using lower-grade materials, skipping important installation steps, or hiring unqualified labor. A poorly installed roof can lead to leaks, structural damage, and premature replacement, quickly erasing any initial savings. When reviewing quotes in Troy, focus on value over price. Look for contractors who are licensed, insured, and experienced with the roofing materials you prefer. A reputable roofer should be transparent about costs, warranties, and the scope of work. Ignoring local weather and seasonal factors. Troy's climate brings a mix of hot summers, freezing winters, and frequent weather shifts. Scheduling a roof replacement without considering the season can lead to delays or installation problems. Extremely cold weather can make shingles brittle, while high heat can affect how materials adhere. For best results, many homeowners schedule roofing work in the spring or early fall. If you must replace your roof during less ideal weather, work with a contractor who understands how to adapt installation techniques to ensure long-lasting results. Failing to get a written, detailed contract or verbal agreement is never enough when planning a major project like roof replacement. Without a detailed written contract, misunderstandings can arise about pricing, materials, timelines, cleanup responsibilities, and warranties. A proper contract should outline the full scope of work types and brands of materials to be used, total cost and payment schedule, estimated start and completion dates, warranty details, cleanup and disposal plans. Having everything in writing protects you from surprises and gives you peace of mind throughout the project. Overlooking the importance of proper ventilation. Many homeowners assume that roof replacement only involves shingles, but ventilation is just as important. Poor attic ventilation can cause humidity buildup, mold growth, ice dams, and premature roof deterioration, issues that are common in Michigan's climate. Before installation begins, ask your roofing contractor to evaluate your home's ventilation system. Upgrading or adjusting ventilation during the roof replacement can significantly extend the lifespan of your new roof. Not asking about warranty coverage. Roofs are a major investment, so make sure they're protected. Some homeowners forget to ask about warranties, leaving them vulnerable to unexpected repair costs. Roofing warranties often come in two parts: the manufacturer's warranty covering materials and the contractor's workmanship warranty. Choose a contractor who offers strong, clearly defined warranty coverage, and make sure you receive all warranty documents once the job is completed. Forgetting to prepare your property. A roof replacement can cause vibration, falling debris, and heavy movement around your home. Failing to prepare your property may lead to avoidable damage or cleanup hassles. Before the project begins, move outdoor furniture and vehicles away from the work zone. Cover landscaping or fragile plants to remove valuable items from attic spaces. Notify neighbors about the upcoming work. Taking these small steps will help keep your home safe and minimize disruptions. Not researching the contractor. Thoroughly hiring the right roofing contractor in Troy is the most important decision you'll make. Don't forget to check online reviews, ask for references, verify credentials, and confirm that the company has experience with your roofing material of choice. A professional roofer should communicate clearly, answer questions openly, and provide examples of previous work. A roof replacement doesn't have to be stressful. By avoiding these common mistakes and choosing an experienced Troy roofing contractor, you can feel confident that your home will be protected for years to come. If you're planning a roof replacement soon, take your time, ask questions, and make decisions that prioritize long-term quality and performance.